Don't go to church. No. I mean, I believe in God. I do. Every time I get on a plane, I do. But I just can't find what sect of God to believe in. Like, everything feels like a rumor. You know what I mean? Like, everybody's telling me they're different religions, and everyone just seems like they don't really know what they're talking about either. They're just like, prayer's important in my church, okay? And how you pray is you take a cross and you rub it, and Jesus comes out, and he grants you 3 prayers. Okay, first prayer, rule, no wishing for more prayers. Okay? Not allowed. Number 2, no praying for someone to fall in love with you. Okay? Number 3, we can't feed the starving children in Africa. Semantically, we're not able to do it, okay? You're going to have to pray for irrigation systems and nutrient soil, and that's just, you're going to waste all your wishes.